board? Come sing with me, an alphabet adventure A to Z. Chugga-chugga, choo-choo, let's all say, let us make words in a magical way. Hop on the train, it's fun to see the alphabet adventure from A to Z. A is for apple, shiny red. B is for ball, we bounce it instead. C is for cat, who says meow meow. D is for dog, who's barking right now. Chugga-chugga, choo-choo, clap along. Let us make words and make a song. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish that swims along. G is for guitar, we strum and play. H is for hat, we wear each day. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jumping with happy feet. K is for kite that soars so high. L is for lion with a mighty cry. What comes next, can you tell me? Children shout N-N-O-P. What comes next, let's sing and see. Q-R-S-T. M is for monkey swinging around. N is for nest that birds have found. O is for octopus in the sea. P is for panda munching happily. Q is for queen with a golden crown. R is for rainbow shining down. S is for sun that warms the day. T is for turtle, slow all the way. U is for umbrella on rainy days. V is for violin, music plays. W is for whale who sings in the sea. X is for xylophone, clink clank glee.